Hey guys, welcome to another one of our specialty programs video series where we share with you guys different programs, specialty programs that you can actually use and add to your home health agency. Now, this video, this particular type of therapy, this particular type of specialty program is really just meant for medical home health agencies and can also be used in hospice agencies as well. So that's what we're going to be talking about here at this very moment. So it's going to be called Anodyn therapy. By adding the therapy program, the Anodyn therapy program, you're going to be able to have another program or product that's going to make you stand out from the rest. So what's an Anodyn therapy? Anodyn therapy is an infrared therapy device that can be applied in the direct skin contact to any area of the body and is actually a very safe, effective, and non-invasive, clinically proven. With 19 published studies, it's an effective alternative to prescription medications and is also available to be provided to your clients and your patients at the comfort of their own home. So what type of patients can Anodyn therapy be used for? It is used for patients who are, suffering from shooting or stabbing pain or tingling pain in their arms, hands, feet, or even their legs. If they're suffering from diabetes, PVD, or another condition that's causing poor circulation, if they have if they recently gone under chemotherapy, for example, do they have a painful injury that for some reason is not going away? Do they have muscle spasms or muscle stiffness that unfortunately it's keeping them from, participating in activities of daily livings or ADLs? So how does it really going to work? It's a patent treatment where it causes the blood vessels, both the arteries and the veins, to temporarily dilate. Thus, it increases the local circulation and then reduces the pain, the stiffness, and the muscle spasms. Pain can have many underlying causes or even etiologies, right? Which is why it's sometimes hard to treat. Some of the common causes of pain are lack of blood flow, poor circulation, or ischemia, nerve problems to the soft tissues, soft tissue swellings, mechanical issues due to traumas, injuries, or degeneration. Understand that your patient's blood delivers substances such as oxygens and nutrients to the cells of their bodies, right? And also it transports waste products away from those same cells. So injuries and traumas causes inflammation, making it difficult for the blood to reach an injured site of the body. Additionally, some conditions such as diabetes, vascular disease, hypertension, and even atherosclerosis, for example, can contribute to, blood vessel narrowing, which then can cause pain. So for patients who may have those type of problems such as, constrictions, and it can actually appear in the smaller parts, like such, for example, your feet, your hands, your legs, but then eventually it can escalate to the digestive tract, the kidneys, and even the heart. So by providing Anodyn therapy, for example, you're going to increase the local circulation. So the treatments, it's going to address the underlying cause of many types of pain, poor circulation. Pain medication can actually mask the symptoms, right? And a lot of people can't even tolerate the side effects of those medications. So the Anodyn therapy is actually cleared by the FDA for temporarily increasing circulation. Temporarily. And also helps reduce pain, muscle spasms, and those kind of things. So whether it's acute or chronic conditions, they can actually benefit from this type of infrared therapy device. So clinical applications will include acute pain, like I said before, or injuries, those muscle spasms, those stiffness, those pain, poor circulation. Remember, by providing these type of products, by you providing these type of therapies, you're definitely one of the very few people or agencies out there that can provide these type of services. So per study, there's only approximately about 400 right now agencies that are using this, that's providing Anodyn therapy to their patients. So once again, this is going to help and benefit your company stand out among the rest. If you have any questions about how to start an Anodyn therapy, that's what we're here for. So just imagine this, right? Remember, we're going to get a lot of patients with pain problems. And yes, the physicians are going to order, pain pills. But at the very same time is, if you can add this type of service, this type of program, this type of treatment, and it is approved, yes, it's gonna, take off some money from your bottom line, right? Because you're adding some services. But this is what's gonna make you stand out. So imagine if you're dealing with, a lot of cardiology clinics or Coumadin clinic physicians, or physicians that deal with a lot of patients with diabetes, or just anything that would be able to use this type of therapy, and you tell them, hey doc, we actually offer these as well. It's no cost to the patient. It's just something that we do. But if you want, you can put an order for this, and we can definitely make sure that the therapist handles this, right? So these are small things. Yes, small things that can add up. Just imagine if you're offering this service in addition to your diabetes program, right? Or your cardiology program. Just imagine how this stands out. Like I said, there's only about 400 to 500 agencies all over the United States that are actually offering these type of services. So how about that's 400 to 500 out of about 10,000 home health agencies? Right there alone, that is going to increase your chances. I mean, just imagine. Let's just go ahead and divide those 500 agencies to 50 different states, for example. That means there's potentially only about 10 agencies in your state that's offering these services. Then I would ask this question: out of those 10 agencies, are they marketing this correctly to the facilities, potential referral sources? So this is one of the main things that you can add, right? And of course, any product, any system, any therapy that you add to your repertoire of your agency, you should definitely have your clinical team be part of making this decision. It's not you just because I'm telling you about this and I say, hey, you should do this, okay? That doesn't mean that you will. But if this is something that you will add to your services and create a program such as this, then you can clearly launch this as something that makes you guys unique. So that is pretty much Anodyn therapy. That's ANODYNE therapy. So keep on watching more of our specialty product videos that you should be adding to your company. Always remember that home health marketing is easy when you know what you're doing.